Hey, what's new YouTube? It's me, James Eggplant, bringing you another episode of James Junction. Hey guys, I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos lately. It's just my life has been very crazy with work and school and, well, some other stuff, but that's okay because I'm here now. So, all over iFunny and Instagram and Twitter, all I'm seeing are fidget spinners. So I decided that since they're so popular, I was gonna buy one. So I decided to make a fidget spinner unboxing video, or I guess an unbagging video. Here I go, opening this fidget spinner. So, this is Pocket Fidget Triune Spinner. It's in this nice little metal tin. Warning, do not throw product. Use product away from eyes. Adult supervision required. Well, good thing I'm an adult. Okay, I can't like begin to express how I'm feeling. It's like a warm but like excited but kind of nervous kind of feeling. I don't know why, but it's like. So this is the thing. I'll just put this aside for a second. Comes with this nice little this foam lining and a little card. Pack says, "Welcome to your Pocket Fidget family. Visit pocketfidget.com to learn how to use your Triune spinner. Please write a review on Amazon. Your review helps get the word out about Pocket Fidget. Problem? Contact..." Okay. So, here's the fidget spinner. That's weird. It's heavier than I imagined. I don't know, I thought it was gonna be light, but it actually feels kind of heavy. So this is what it looks like. Nice. That's a white fidget spinner. I'm using my white hand behind it to try to balance the complete. It has 3 little discs and it has this thing. Okay, so I don't know how to use this. Ooh, that's nice. Why is this making me happy? Okay, the frame rate is terrible on my camera, but that's... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna watch some videos how to do this. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Wow, I had to look at like 5 or 6 different videos because they didn't like tell you how to do it. I mean, it makes sense that like I feel like I don't know. I would take this finger and push down, but then it just keeps hitting my knuckle. So, but like I guess you're supposed to take like what is it? I'm not flipping you off, by the way. This is my ring finger. So it says take that and like flick up. When I do this, I feel the weight of it. What? Okay, I had second thoughts about this earlier, but I could tell that this is gonna be a distraction. I should probably get rid of this. When it doesn't spin when you do it. Can you hear that? I dropped it. It's still spinning. Appears to be perfectly fine. I could feel a little bit of like air, it's like an air pressure difference. Oh, I keep hitting it. This is cool. I like this thing. Okay, this is a distraction. Maybe this was not a good idea. Well, thank you guys for watching this week's episode of James Junction. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below what you want me to unbox or what you want me to do next week. Or tweet me your questions with hashtag JamesJunction. As always, stay fantabulastic, everybody. See you next week for another episode of James Junction. Bye!